Hey guys, this is Benny, founder of the Teach Me to Fish and Fetch trading community. Alright, we're still trying to grow this small account. We're up, that'll put us at 1,000 points right now, 900 points. Flirting with my take profit. Take profit is only 1,300 points, which in our case, we're only trading at 10 cents on this small account. It's going to put us at $13. So what I'm going to do is, because I see that it's flirting with it, I got this 1 hour demand zone right here that I'm wanting to take profit at, and then possibly I will look to get back into a sell trade here, if you guys can see this, after we get our confirmation of it breaking 35, 38, 41. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop back down to the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to put my stop loss based on a 5-minute structure. So I'm going to go, I feel comfortable going there at 35, 62, 67. So I'm going to cheat a little bit and bring that down to 35, 62. 35, 62. Let's go ahead and modify that. All right. So I'm not at my computer, so I don't know exactly how much profit I just locked in right there. I don't feel like calculating, but it looks like our TP is going to be hit, as long as we can get, if we can get that the axe line to go over it, then we'll hit our TP. So, and from that point, because again, I told you guys before, the S&P is due for a correction. All right, and I'm thinking the correction is gonna come sooner than later. Because again, it's just been riding up for like months, making all-time highs. All right, so but that's just how it works, guys. Supply and demand. That's just how it works with supply and demand. They're kind of preventing from hitting that. Let's see what it does. All right, let's see if we're gonna get that TP or if we're gonna get a small gain. So at this point, it's all good. Of course, I prefer the TP to get hit. All right, that will put us at over a 10% gain for the current account size. I think we're at what, 127. So $13 and some change is over 10%. In one day, that's not bad. Yeah, it's a small account, but when you have to look at this stuff at percentage wise, like you're talking a 10% gain. All right, so if you had $100,000 and you had a 10% gain, that means that you gained $10,000 in one day. Okay, so that's why I always say, hey, it's exponential. All right, I'm doing this again to show individuals who feel like they don't have a lot to start that, hey, you have enough. You have just what you need. All right, you just have to start small. Okay, and even though the big wins may seem like small wins, but in the dollar size, but when you look at it at a percentage, again, we're talking going over 10%, a 10% gain, over a 10% gain. If that take profit is hit. Okay, so what is that? 35, 53, 88. I'm waiting on that to for the market to go ahead and hit that. So, and I'm actually just above that demand zone. So I figured that, hey, yeah, it should get hit. So, but yeah, I just wanted to touch in, give you guys an update. So again, at the least, it's going to be a risk-free trade. At the most, we're going to be making over 10% gain off of this one trade. This is the only trade that I've taken so far today. See if I can show you guys that. So you can see where I had some sell stops and buy limits put in place, some future orders, but I canceled them out. But again, this is the only trade that I've taken today. You can see I haven't had any gains or anything yet today. So we're at $9, we're at $10. So I'm thinking that the TP will get hit, guys. So I don't want to make the video too long, but we'll see if it gets hit. I'm out in the field today. So really don't have much to say. Let's just watch and see if this gets hit. If I do get stopped out of this trade, I will not go back. I won't be looking to get into another trade until 35.25 is broken on the downside. I will take a short there, or if 35, what is that? I'm sorry. If 35.68 for 35.88.29 is broken on the upside, I will look to get into a buy. Okay, so this trade, either I can't get it out. Either we will our TP will get hit, or we will get stopped out in profit, you know. And then I won't look to take another trade except for those price points that I gave you. Okay, so just trying to give us a little bit more time here. Some water. It's 10:02 Eastern Standard Time. The stock market has been open for about 30 minutes now, a little over 30 minutes. So at open and shot down. I've been in before open. I think I might have started this trade at about, I don't know, a little after 6 this morning. You know, I woke up, you know, $2.05 for my take profit, which I believe is like $13.78. So let's just say, you know, I was risking 6 to gain 13. So I'm looking at a little over a 2-to-1 risk reward for this trade. So that's always good. 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1. You know, I'll say 2-to-1 is good. A 1-to-1 is meh. You know, but you know, hey, those 1-to-1s help as long as, you know, we can, you know, analyze the charts and you know, make the proper guesstimation, if you will. So it's still riding down. I like how this candle, this 5-minute candle right here, was it was bearish. It started out bearish, and now it is it started out bullish, and now it's bearish. So it's giving us that top wick. So depending on how this candle closes, okay, yeah, I'm gonna move the stop loss down more just to secure more profit. So that's what, 35.59.67. All right, 35.59.67. What did I say, guys? I just missed it. What did I say, guys? $35.59.67. 35.59.67. I'm gonna take it right here to the top. Hey, if it gets stopped out, we get stopped out. But again, we might get that TP, guys. We're at 1175 now. We may get that TP. We may get that TP. I would love to get that TP. One trade again will put us at over 10% increase, you know, for the account. All right, you know, and yes, all right, we hit it. Bam, 1375. That's what it was, 1375. So over a 10% increase so far on the day. Now, the market is still riding out. Am I mad? No. I am not mad at all. Here, let's go to the H1. I'm not mad at all. All right, because we don't do the FOMO, the fear of missing out. All right, so we just took our account and grew it 10% off of one trade, over 10% off of one trade. And I hope I'm doing that math right. You guys let me know if I'm not doing the math correctly, because we were at like 127 before that game. And again, guys, we're taking 10-cent lot sizes. All right, 10-cent lot sizes. So that's what? That's over 130x. All right, 130x return. All right, on 10 cent. So again, and now if you have the capital to do more, then do more. But I preach proper account risk management. All right, that's just my recommendation. All right, my recommendation is to, hey, start with at least $200 and trade the S&P 500 at 10-cent lot sizes. And every time you get your account up to, you know, the next $200 level, then you increase your lot size by 10 cents. Now, that's just my recommendation for you guys, just so you know you're starting out. All right, the S&P 500 is very volatile. All right, we're trading it as if we're trading the futures. okay? So we can make money up or down, all right? We're just predicting which way it's gonna go, and we do that based on reading, you know, proper market structure, cycle, and manipulation, all right? So, but yeah, I'm not worried about, hey, I'm missing out. So again, once we get that break here, then I will look into shortening it again. All right. So, but as of right now, the market is correcting. Okay. And bam, we just again grew our account by 10%. Okay. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for me for this video. Sorry if it took so long or took too long for you. But hey, if you like what you see, you like the education that you're getting, and you want more in-depth training, then head over to the teachmetofisheffects.com and sign up on any one of the affordable mentorship programs, and I will get you straight. I will get you going. All right. As always, guys, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. That's a promise. That's a fact. All right. And until then, happy bip fishing.